Hello friends, welcome to Silan Software. In this video, I will explain one program that is to count the duplicate characters in a given string. So we will see how we will write the program, what will be the business logic for that. This program is also for interview. So now I will start to develop this program. So let I will take a class. Let class name. Let my class name is suppose duplicate characters example. Okay. So now public static void main string args. So simply in Notepad I am writing. So now little bit analysis we will do. First of all, we will take an input string. So definitely input is a string value. Output is what? Okay. Suppose I will take I will take a string value for this one variable I will take. Suppose let string input equals to let hello Java. Suppose. So this is my input. Let you can also input the string value at the runtime. So directly here I have taken. So output is which character is repeating. Let L is repeating. This is a character two times. The character A is repeating two times. So duplicate characters L duplicate A duplicate. So first of all we have to find out the duplicate characters. Then we will count how many number of occurrences. Okay. First of all, what I am doing. So here H is uppercase, this is lowercase, then J is uppercase, other is lowercase. I will convert into lowercase and there is a one space. I will remove all spaces. So how I will write? So in this way, you see input equals to input dot to lowercase. So to lowercase is a method. This method representing what convert a string value into lowercase characters means all characters will be lowercase characters. So I will remove space. So for this there is a method replace all method. Okay, so within parenthesis what I will specify. So space double slash s plus. Okay, so the meaning is this line representing whatever we have the string value. So all characters will be in lowercase character and whatever the space it will remove. Then an array I am taking. Let my array name is I will explain what is the purpose of this array that I am taking. Let my array name is char count, whatever the array name you can write, and I am specifying a value 256. So why 256 I took? So and what is the purpose of this array? This array I took to store the count of characters. I can write, I took this array to store count of characters. Count of characters. Suppose I will assuming ASCII values. Assuming ASCII values. Okay, so I took an array. Let the array name is char count, which will store count of characters in the form of ASCII value. Now, first of all, I will count each character in the given string. So logic is what? First of all, what I will write, count each character, count each character in the given string. So how? So one for loop I will take for int I equals to 0. I is less than string length. So to find the length of a string, there is a built-in method, a length method. String variable name is input dot length method, then I plus plus. Okay. Now I will write the logic char count of input dot char of I plus plus. So what it is representing, or what is the meaning of this line? This is the loop body. I will explain. What is the meaning of this line? Okay, so this line I will explain. So int I, this is what basically it is a for loop. This is the loop body. So this is initialization section I equals to 0. 0 is less than input dot length. Okay. So number of characters present in a string, that is the length of a string. 0 is less than, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space has removed, 6, 7, 8, 9 suppose. So 0 is less than 9, condition is true, this body will execute. Char count of this input dot char art of I, the value of I is 0. In 0th index, each character is present. So already this line, but after execution, all the characters are lowercase. So lowercase h ASCII value here, guys, the explanation I have written in a document. You see how it is working. Suppose my input is, suppose hello Java. For hello, suppose I have explained each character ASCII value is 104. So when the value of I is 0, that means input dot char of 0. You see this logic. Input dot char of I is 0. That is input dot char of 0. Okay, input dot char of 0. So that is ASCII value of h is 104. So char count of 104, okay, plus plus meaning is what? Increments the count at index 104. So char count, the purpose is what? The meaning is char count of 104. 104 is the ASCII value of lowercase h. So char count of 104 plus plus representing increments the count at index 104. Similarly, E, then I will go to the loop I plus plus 0 plus plus I is equal to 1, 1 is less than length, again condition is true, again body will execute input dot char at of I means 1, 1 is E. So this part I have written when I is equal to 1, input dot caret of 1, that is E ASCII value is 101. So char count array, char count of 101 plus plus increments the count at index 101. Similarly, when I is equal to L character, L is 108, char count of 108 plus plus increments the count and index 108. Again, I is equal to 3, again L. So char count of 108 plus plus increments the count and index 108. But here count for L becomes 2. So char count array, okay, counting the number of occurrences. So in case of hello, this the explanation that I have written when I is equal to 1, what char count of 101 plus plus is representing. When I is equal to input dot caret of 2, that is L. So what it is representing. When I is equal to 3, char count of 108, what is it representing. When I is equal to 4, what char count of 1111 plus plus is representing. So 101 ASCII value of E, 104 ASCII value of H, 108 ASCII value of L, 108 ASCII value of L. Now in case of L, so the count for L is becoming 2. So L here is duplicate character and the number of occurrences is 2. Similarly, in this way, we will find the duplicate characters in Java. That is A and number of occurrences that we will find. So when this condition will be false, then the loop will terminate. So when loop will terminate, so already we will count each character and what is the number of occurrences that the char count array it is representing. So after that, so we will go to what next logic. I will display characters. I will display characters with more than one occurrences or with more than one occurrence. Because with more than one occurrence, that means duplicate characters. So more, how many occurrences that is that we will see. So one output statement, suppose I will write system.out.println duplicate characters, duplicate characters in the string, whatever within double quote I will write, same message will display. So one for loop again I am taking int I equals to 0, I is less than, so char counts in array length is simply the length keyword, but in case of string length method, so I plus plus. Again one for loop I two, so very simple logic. If char count of I is greater than 1, if char count of I is greater than 1, okay, so system.out.println, so I will print that characters. So if I will print that characters, okay, so I will do a typecasting. So char of I, okay, so then I will give the concatenation operator within double quote. Simply, I will write a colon for decoring plus char count of I. Okay. So this is the if block. This is the loop block. This is the main method. and this is the class end. So in this way, I wrote the logic to find the duplicate characters in a string value and what is the number of occurrences. Duplicate characters example. .java is my program name. I will save. Okay, so I will go to one drive. So I saved my program in A drive. Inside A drive, there is a folder, Java programs folder. In that folder, I saved my program, duplicate characters example.java, and I will do all files. I will save. Okay, I will go to A drive, go to Java programs folder, Java C dot Java. Oh, you see, so int I equals to 0. I is less than char count or dot length. So by mistake, okay, char count dot length. Array name dot length. Mistakenly less than symbol I have specified. So that is char count dot length. Okay, so now I will compile dot Java. Okay, then Java space class name. So duplicate characters in the string you see A two times, L two times. So this is the output. Okay, so logic again I am repeating. First of all, we took a string variable. Let my string variable name is input. So string value is hello Java. So in hello Java, first of all, we will find duplicate characters. So here, duplicate character is L, duplicate character is LA. So L two times, A two times. So what I did, first the string value I converted into lowercase and removed all spaces. And removed all spaces. Then one array I took, one array I created and store for which purpose this array I created to store the count of a character in the form of ASCII value. So count of character. Okay. Lowercase a ASCII value is 97. Then B is 98. C is 99 in this way. So first of all, one logic I wrote, count each character in a given string. Then I wrote another logic, display characters with more than one occurrence. Okay, so simply it is a one for loop and simply it is a one for loop. So two for loop, simply we have written. Int I equals to 0, 0 is less than length, condition is true, then body will execute. Body is input dot caret of I. Char art is a built-in method in string class. Char art of I value is 0, so it is returning a specific character at a specified index. In 0th index, H is present. Already this uppercase H have converted into lowercase. So lowercase h ASCII value, here I have written 104. Lowercase h ASCII value is 104. So char count of 104 plus plus. As per the logic, body is. Char count of 104 plus plus. So what it is representing? Representing what increments the count at index 104. Similarly, increments the count at index 101. increments the count at index 108, increments the count at index 108. So here it is repeating now the number of count. Now the count for L, the character L is becoming 2. Similarly, in case of the word Java, the number, the count for A is becoming 2. Okay, so this is my program. Now I executed, I compiled, then I executed, and I got A2 L2. That means the duplicate characters, a number of occurrences is 2. Then the duplicate character L, the number of occurrences is 2. So I hope everybody got clarity.